latest product for Eureka Junior.
This is a Jal Rakshak AI IoT project.
This project name is Jal Rakshak AI because Jal means water, Rakshak means savior. So in the ocean, 97% of water is saline, 3% is usable. This 3% we should save for the future needs. So this project is designed for that purpose.
Water is one of the most important resources in our daily life, but leakage and wastage can cause serious damage and unnecessary loss. This project is designed to automatically detect water leaks using sensors and stop the water motor instantly. It also displays important data on LCD and OLED screens, alerts the user with sounds and lights, and allows manual control via mode. This goal is to save water and avoid damage and bring smart control to water systems.
This has so many advantages. So this is eco-friendly. This can control using solar panels, batteries can be charged during the days, many more. This has an EEPROM system which can be operated without even electricity. So this how it looks next. So LCD shows that how it works, is how much water is consumed, how much time is there, and even the OLED display it shows is water is leaking or not. Using water pumps, some raindrop sensors, it detects the water. So this has a EEPROM system. EEPROM system is a system in which it will save the data what is consumed. So if there is a data, if I turn it off, though there is no electricity in the module, but still it can store the data which is consumed. So we made this project so eco-friendly that this is a 3D printed tank which was printed at our lab by Bamboo Lab A1 3D printer. This is made up of cornstarch and other renewable sources.
Conclusion. This smart leak detection system is fully automatic and efficient and easy to use. It saves water by detecting leaks and turning off the motor instantly. It also gives visual and sound alerts, shows useful data on displays, and can be controlled through smartphone using Bluetooth. It helps reduce wastage, avoid water damage, and build awareness about smart water usage. It is a simple but powerful step towards water consumption.
And so this is eco-friendly, cost-effective, and good for the nature and for our future. Dhanyavad.